If you want to create consistent characters in an easy way for an AI influencer, AI model, storytelling, and like these, this Hailuo AI tutorial has everything you need to get started. With Hailuo AI Subject Reference feature, you can create consistent character without collecting a lot of images and training the model with them. Just use a reference image and create AI videos with different expressions and styles in different scenes. Let's try it. Go to the Hailuo AI website. Log in with your Gmail. Go to the Create section. Click on the Subject Reference tab. If you need more help with Hailuo AI text-to-video, image-to-video, and AI voice, go to my channel and watch these videos. Upload your face photo reference. You can crop your image from here. Use it if you want to zoom in on your image for better recognition. Also, if you have multiple characters in your image, crop the one you want. Make sure to use a recognizable and clear image of the character's face with proper angles and lighting. This model currently only supports uploading single-person photos for facial recognition. The image resolution should not be less than 120 by 120, and the image size should not exceed 20 MB. The character in the image should not contain special effects or filters. The face must be clearly visible and there should be no objects in front of the face. The character should directly face the camera or slightly turn to the side in a way that the character's facial features and facial contours should be fully visible in the image. Avoid using an image that has large areas of dark shadows or localized overexposure. The lighting should be natural. It works great with realistic style. I'm testing it with 3D style for creating cartoon animation. If you don't mention the style in the prompt, in most results the AI will create realistic style and add animation face in the realistic video, or create a completely realistic style result. So, keep in mind to use style type in the prompt. This tool can help you create consistent faces for storytelling. For some images, AI may not be able to detect the face in the image, so you can't use any type of image in the current model version. Add prompt, and for a better result, describe the scene, camera movement, and what you want to see in your video. But keep in mind that your result will be 6 seconds, so don't use complex shots. This feature in the current version can help you create consistent face. For consistent clothes, describe the clothes in the prompt so that the AI can create the clothes based on your description. As I said in the previous section, the S2V-01 model supports one character in the reference image. If you want to create multiple characters in your video, you can use the reference image for one of them. When writing your prompt, focus on your main character to get accurate results. In such cases, you should describe the character by age, gender, or special feature to help AI lock onto the correct character and realize to use reference image for which one. For example, if I upload this image and want to show 2 people in my video, I write something like this in the prompt box. Conversation shot of a young woman with brown hair talking to a man in a cafe. Both are looking at each other and both are in the scene. Here, highlights can help AI use the reference image correctly. In the free plan, you can try Hailuo AI Subject Reference model to create 2 samples. After that, you need to use one of their paid plans. Each video consumes 45 credits. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.